Hi, it's Michael LaFido, author of the book Luxury Listing Specialist and Secrets of Top Luxury Agents, and I'm the founder of the Lux Designation. In this video, we're going to talk about customer service, giving silver platter Ritz-Carlton customer service to your clients as well as the other agent and their clients, as well as the art of gifting at the closing table. You'll see behind me 3 bottles of Lamborghini wine. We got red, gold, and blue. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's talk about customer service, going above and beyond, surprising, over-delivering. Recently, I went down to Fort Lauderdale and I helped an agent go on a listing appointment for a $22.9 million potential listing, which she got. But we surprised the customer with some local bakeries, with some sweets from a local bakery. Again, over-deliver. They weren't expecting it. So maybe you reach out if there's a local coffee shop, or you offer to bring some coffee of their choice, or bring maybe some desserts from your local bakery. It's a way to differentiate yourself. If you represent a seller and at some price point you as the listing agent needs to be at the showings, if you represent a seller and you're going to be showing a buyer's agent and their clients properties, ask, are you seeing other properties? Would you like me to bring your favorite Starbucks or favorite little boutique coffee? And what about your client? And have coffee there and make them look like the rock star they are, the buyer's agent, and say this coffee, your agent, is compliments to them. Make them look like the rock star. So again, under promise, over deliver. And so on listing appointments, you might bring coffee or a bottle of wine, something different. It's a way to differentiate yourself. Okay, Jack Trout said differentiate or die. I think that's extreme. I've also heard differentiate or charge less. You want to differentiate yourself from the other agents they're potentially talking to. So at your showings, you should have beverages there. You should have snacks. Again, maybe they're seeing a bunch of properties, have something for their kids. You got to ask the buyer's agent who's going to be there. What's their favorite drink? I'll have something. Again, makes them look good, makes you look good. That's what we call a win-win. Let's talk about closings and gifting. Again, what do you give for some of these high-end and unique clients? Again, they have different, dining experience. I'm all about different experience. Recently, I invested in a social club where it's basically a speakeasy where we can entertain clients and meet them there. It's a different experience. And you'll see behind me this bottle of Lamborghini wine, 3 bottles. There's a nice little note from the Lamborghini family. And then you, of course, have the red, gold, and blue bottles of wine from Lamborghini, established in 1968. It's a way to differentiate yourself. Again, I have a bunch of multi-million-dollar clients. They don't need a bottle of wine probably, but this is a way to differentiate. It's presented differently. It looks awesome, and it's a great way to differentiate yourself. So again, differentiate yourself, bring more value. That's how you attract more opportunities. Again, my name is Michael LaFido. My contact information is below. If you're getting value from this video, please leave us a like, leave us a review. And if you have our book, and if we've earned a 5-star review on our podcast or our book, please do so. Again, make it a great day and prove others wrong. Take care.